Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are just seeing this video for the first time, kindly like, comment, share and follow for more videos. Okay, in our previous video I talked about letter M to letter X, that is to S. Okay, today we are going to continue from letter T to letter Z. Okay, what letter is this? This is letter T. Now, how do you make the sound of letter T? You go again, as in six, as in six. Good. What letter is this? Letter U. Letter U. Now, what's the sound of letter U? You go up again, up, as in umbrella. As in umbrella. Good. What letter is this? Letter V. Letter V. What's the sound of letter V? You go as if you're driving a car. You go as in violin. As in violin. What letter is this? Letter W. Letter W. Letter W. Now, what's the sound of letter W? You go whoa again, whoa, as in watch, whoa, as in watch. Good job. What letter is this? Letter X. Letter X. Now, how do you make the sound of letter X? You go kuss again, kuss again, kuss, as in xylophone. What letter is this? Letter Y. Letter Y. What's the sound of letter Y? You go again, as in yam. Good job. Alright, the last sound. What letter is this? Letter Z. Letter Z. What's the sound of letter Z? You go again, as in zebra. As in zebra. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. Please kindly like, share, comment for more videos. Bye.